Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic cervical cancer and infertility. First, we'll discuss about the cervical cancer. What is cervical cancer? Cervical cancer occurs in the cervix region and it is caused by a virus called human papilloma virus, HPV. So the cervical cancer is caused by a virus called as human papilloma virus, which is sexually transmitted from one person to other person. So this virus, HPV virus, is a sexually transmitted virus. That means this virus is mainly transmitted through sexual intercourse. HPV may cause abnormal growth of cervical cells or cervical dysplasia. So this virus may cause abnormal growth of cervical cells or other condition called as cervical dysplasia. So what do you mean by cervical dysplasia? Means abnormal cells found on the surface of cervix. Now we'll see the common symptoms and signs of cervical cancer. So the common symptoms and signs of cervical cancer are pelvic pain, that is pain in the pelvical region, increased vaginal discharge. So there may be an increased vaginal discharge and abnormal vaginal bleeding. So these are the common symptoms and signs of cervical cancer. There are some risk factors for cervical cancer. They are having multiple sexual partners. So how this disease is caused or what is the reason of this disease means having multiple sexual partner, prolonged use of contraceptive pills. So one is having sexual intercourse with multiple partners and the next one is continuous use of contraceptive pills. So these are the risk factors for cervical cancer. How to diagnose this cervical cancer? So diagnosis means to find out the disease. How to diagnose the cervical cancer? So Papanicular smear, that is pap smear combined with an HPV test. So how to diagnose this test means by using a Papanicular smear. So it is commonly called as pap smear test combined with the HPV test. And pap smear test means as a scratch is made on the cervical region and that is the cervical cells are scratched and examined. So that is called as pap smear test. And other tests are X-ray, CT scan, MRI scan and a PET scan may also be used to determine the stage of cancer. The treatment options for cervical cancer include radiation therapy. What is radiation therapy means? Radiation therapy is a type of cancer treatment that uses high doses of radiation to kill the cancer cells and shrink the tumor. That is called as radiation therapy. And surgery, through surgery also this cancer can be removed. And chemotherapy. So what do you mean by chemotherapy means? It is a therapy given to the cancer patient by using the chemicals. Chemo means chemicals. So chemotherapy means therapy given by using the chemicals. So how to diagnose the cervical cancer means? That is pap smear test, Papanicular smear combined with the HPV test. X-ray, CT scan, MRI scan, PET scan may also used to determine the stages of cancer, whether it is in primary stage, secondary stage or in tertiary stage. And primary and secondary stages has treatment but tertiary stage has no treatment. It leads to death. Then the treatment options for cervical cancer include the radiation therapy, surgery and chemotherapy. Next we'll see the modern screening techniques. What do you mean by modern screening techniques? So how to detect the precancerous changes in the cervix. So Modern screening techniques detect the precancerous changes which occurs in the cervix. So therefore, screening is recommended. Screening means it is also a test. Is recommended for women above 30 years once in a year. So women above the age of 30 years should have a screening test. Cervical cancer can be prevented with vaccination. So the cervical cancer can be prevented with vaccination. Primary prevention. How to prevent it before means, that is, primary prevention begins with the HPV vaccination. So prevention is possible by a HPV vaccination, that is human papilloma virus vaccination, of girls aged 9 to 13 years before they became sexually active. So the primary treatment or the primary prevention, it is not treatment, it is preventing the cancer previously, that is called as primary prevention. It begins with the HPV vaccination, that is, the girls aged 9 to 13 years should be given the HPV vaccine before they become sexually active. Now, modification in lifestyle also can helps in preventing the cervical cancer. Now we'll see the prevention of cervical cancer. How to prevent the cervical cancer means, that is following a healthy diet, avoiding tobacco usage, preventing early marriages, that is practicing monogamy. Monogamy means, that is having sexual intercourse with the single partner, that is called as monogamy, and regular exercises minimize the risk of cervical cancer. So these are the preventive measures of cervical cancer. Next we'll see the topic infertility. So fertility means able to reproduce. Infertility means unable to reproduce. Inability to conceive or produce children even after unprotected sexual cohabitation is called as infertility. So what do you mean by infertility means? It is the inability to conceive or produce children even after unprotected sexual intercourse is called as infertility. So even though they are not using any contraceptives, they are unable to reproduce. So that is the inability of a man to produce sufficient numbers or quality of sperm to impregnate a woman, or inability of a woman to become pregnant or maintain a pregnancy. So this is called as infertility. Now we'll see the causes of infertility. So what are the causes of infertility? So infertility occurs in man. So in man, he cannot able to produce sufficient numbers of sperms to pregnant a woman, and also in some cases in women, that is inability to become pregnant or maintain a pregnancy. So that is called as the infertility. Now we'll see the causes of infertility. So what are the causes of infertility? Are tumors formed in the pituitary or reproductive organs. So what do you mean by tumors? All tumors are not cancerous. So tumors means uncontrolled growth of cell. So tumors which occur in the pituitary or reproductive organs, inherited mutations of genes responsible for the biosynthesis of sex hormones. So the genes which are responsible for the production or synthesis of sex hormones may get mutated. Mutated means sudden changes which occurs in the genes. Next is malformation of the cervix. The cervix as well as the fallopian tubes are not properly formed. So that is called as malformation of the cervix or fallopian tubes, and inadequate nutrition during the or before the adulthood. So the child may not get proper nutrition during the adulthood or before the adulthood. Then other causes are long-term stress. So continuous stress also may damages many aspects of health, especially the menstrual cycle. And ingestion of toxins. For example, heavy metal cadmium. So this also causes the infertility. Then heavy use of alcohol. So when the person is get more addicted to alcohol also, there may be a chance of infertility. Tobacco and marijuana. So usage of tobacco and marijuana. Injuries to the gonads. So if any injury happens in the reproductive organs, that also may cause the infertility. And aging also causes the infertility. So these are the causes of infertility. Now we'll see the other causes of the infertility. So what are the other causes of infertility? Pelvic inflammatory disease, that is PID. So inflammation which occurs in the pelvic region, that is called as pelvic inflammatory disease. Uterine fibroids. So what do you mean by fibroids? Means non-cancerous growth. So it is not cancer, but it is the uncontrolled growth of cells in the uterus. And endometriosis in women. Endometriosis are most common cause of infertility in women. So the most common causes are, that is uterine fibroids and endometriosis. So uterine fibroids and endometriosis. What do you mean by endometriosis? Means so a disorder in which the tissue which lines the uterus grows outside the uterus. For example, the tissue growth may occur in the fallopian tube or ovary or in the intestine. So we have already learnt endometrium is a lining, which it is a lining of the uterus. That is, it is the inner layer of the uterus. Every month the endometriosis, that is the endometrial lining, thickens, and after that during menstrual cycle the endometrium breaks down and causes vaginal bleeding during the menstrual cycle. So what is this condition? Endometriosis means the lining of the uterus grows outside the uterus, that is called as the endometriosis. So this condition also may causes the infertility. Next is low body fat or anorexia. So the person may have low body fat. So what is anorexia means in women? It is a psychiatric eating disorder characterized by the fear of gaining weight. So the person will not eat properly because he may have a fear of gaining weight. So that condition is called as anorexia. Then undescended testes and swollen veins. The testis is not properly descended in the scrotum. And swollen veins, that is, it is called as varicocele in scrotum. So in scrotum region, the veins which is present in the scrotum or the veins which is present in the testis may get swollen. This is called as varicocele. The next reason is tight clothing in men may raise the temperature in the scrotum and affects the sperm production. We have already learned sperm production requires a temperature which is below the body temperature. So sometimes due to tight clothing also may raise the temperature and in the scrotum and affects the sperm production. Next is underdeveloped ovaries or testes. That means the testes and ovaries, that is the reproductive organs, are not properly developed. Female may develop antibodies against her partner's sperm. Sometimes the female body recognizes the male sperm as an antigen and it starts producing the antibodies. So these antibodies will destroy the sperms. So due to this reason also infertility occurs. And males may develop an autoimmune response to their own sperm. Sometimes in males, their body responds their own sperm as a foreign antigen and start producing antibodies. So that condition is called as autoimmune response in males to their own sperm. So these are the other causes of the infertility. So go through this topic. Thank you.